you're fatigued, you're feeling like you still have those muscle aches, and you're doing all the exercises, stretches, and you're just not quite there, and you're wondering what to do next. And I recommend this affordable Power Pack supplement. It's a daily drink that you can do, and it's going to get you minerals, it's going to get you vitamin C, it's going to get you vitamin B. And B helps with energy and muscle function and neurological function. And so a lot of people are just needing those extra B vitamins, and this is a great way to get it. It's a great tasting supplement. This is actually the pomegranate blueberry flavor. I highly recommend, and I take one of these a day before my workouts. And the best time to take it is midday when you're starting to crash, and a lot of us are pumped up on caffeine and those types of things, and sugar. We're leaning for more of that. We want to get away from that and go more towards a natural energy boost that's going to help with your body's function and healing, and it's holistic in nature to help your body work the way it's supposed to. So the Power Packs, you can get them here in the office for $25, and actually you can get them on Amazon for about $15 for a month's supply. So you may want to just go ahead and order from there. But if you want to get them now, we got them here in the office. If you have any questions, let me know about the Power Packs. We'll see you.